You've got your chosen fertilizer ready to go. You've weighed out the proper amount to cover the exact lawn space that you've got. Now, how do you actually put it down? Well, in today's Toro Yard Hack, I'm literally gonna walk you through step by step. So first off, I'm gonna recommend that those of you with lawns 2,500 square feet and larger utilize a broadcast spreader in your applications. The primary way you know you have a broadcast spreader is to locate the impeller just under the bucket below the drop holes. If it looks like a wheel, disc, or plate with fins on it, then you probably have a broadcast spreader. This impeller throws even amounts of product across a wide swath, typically 4 to 6 feet wide depending on your spreader model and your walking speed, and when done correctly, like I'll show you next, delivers beautiful consistency across larger expanses of lawn space. The next thing to think about is walking speed, which most people tend to stay around 3 to 3.5 miles per hour, which if I'm to equate that to a visual, I would say that it looks like a double fast walk. Another key being that whatever speed you begin at should be the speed that you finish at. Otherwise, the width of your swath can vary along with your speed. In a nutshell, push it all the way through. And finally, let's talk technique. Your first pass across a measured lawn space like this one should be what we call a trim pass. Most quality spreaders have a setting where you can adjust the rate of product flow to compensate for your trim pass, while in turn allowing you to get right up next to the sidewalk, street, or curb without getting any excess product off target. Once your trim and edges are established, it's time to fill in the cinder areas. Start your first full pass so that the edge of your swath is throwing back to and just kissing the wheel marks of the previous pass. This is called the overlap, and it's important to take note of. From here, success comes in paying attention, watching your swath width as it pertains to the previous pass, and keeping those passes in a straight, parallel line, like cornrows. Now, I know this can seem daunting when you first start out. I always recommend breaking your lawn into manageable sections and working them one at a time until you're experienced enough to fill your hopper all the way up and take off or running. For Toro, I'm Allyn Hane, the Lawn Care Nut. As always, I hope this tip's been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the lawn.